Wait, 2025 might be the last golden year to start your career in data analytics before AI changes everything. MIT की एक रिसर्च कहती है आउट ऑफ ऑल टास्क AI क्लेम कि वो कर सकता है, सिर्फ 23% इकोनॉमिकली वायबल है। मतलब 77% जॉब्स अभी भी ह्यूमंस के हाथ में हैं। तो जब सब बोल रहे हैं कि AI विल लिटरली टेक योर जॉब, अभी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अलाइव हैं। तो 2026 के लिए 80,000 प्लस फ्रेशर्स डेटा एनालिटिक्स हायर प्लान हो रहे हैं। पैनिक का टाइम नहीं है, ये है प्रिपरेशन का टाइम। देखो, हम सबको लगता है कि अपॉर्चुनिटी बस बेंगलोर, पुणे, हैदराबाद ऐसी सिटीज में होती है, बट अब नहीं। इंदौर, जयपुर, भोपाल, चंडीगढ़, these tier 2 cities are creating next generation of data professionals। कोई 8 लाख कमा रहा है रिपोर्ट रोल में और उसकी सेविंग्स बेंगलोर वाली 50 लाख सैलरी से ज्यादा है। नो कम्यूट, no 40k rent and no stress at all. So the smart people aren't just chasing cities, they're chasing skills. In this video, we'll break down where AI won't replace humans and how can you use this window to build a high-paying career with real job security. अब यहाँ से real game start होता है. Now let's talk numbers because numbers never lie. By the end of 2025, India's data analytics market will cross 1.66 crore. Yes. That's an insane growth. National AI mission launched. 10,000 plus crore investment allotted. Goal: 1 million job by 2026. But here's a gap. NASSCOM के डेटा के अकॉर्डिंग डिमांड है 8 लाख प्रोफेशनल्स की, सप्लाई है सिर्फ 5.7 lakhs की, and the gap is 2.3 lakh people. This is not your problem. This is entry gate. Average IIT graduate in data science has starting of 20 to 26 lakh और एवरेज इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ 23% ईयरली। मतलब हर 3 साल डबल द सैलरी। कंपेयर दैट टू ट्रेडिशनल आईटी 5 to 6% पर ईयर। दैट्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। एआई टूल्स इंप्रूव कर रहे हैं, सो सून सप्लाई विल मीट द डिमांड। सो 2026 is your year to start before the market saturates. Even as AI grows, कुछ roles evergreen है। Let's see the top 3. These are professionals who understand both डेटा एंड द इंडस्ट्री। अगर आप मार्केटिंग, डेटा, फाइनेंस, एचआर या हेल्थ केयर से हो, सो दिस इज योर स्वीट स्पॉट। इमेजिन marketing and analytics is market data expert, finance and analytics finance data analyst, healthcare plus analytics healthcare data scientist, experience and data skills unbeatable combo। ये रोज 2 साल पहले एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करते थे। prompt engineers, the people you know who want to ask AI implementation managers, the bridge between AI and data, combining data analytics with AI models। और सबसे बड़ी बात, industry still has zero saturation, ground floor entry, fastest growth। Data engineers are the builders, the people who make data pipelines, ETL workflows and systems। Skills: Python, SQL, Cloud and Data System। Salary 18 lakh starting और shortage scary level पर है, टैलेंट ही नहीं मिल रहा है। So अगर आप टेक्निकल थोड़ा बेंट रखते हो, ये रोल फ्यूचर प्रूफ है। Tier 2 and Tier 3 India is now powering the tech economy। People are working remote for global firms from Indore, Kochi, Surat। Same quality work, better lifestyle and double savings। Bangalore salary 15 lakh, 40k rent and 4 to 5 lakh savings। Indore salary 8 lakh, 10k rent and 5 to 6 LPA savings। Quality of life up and stress down। IBM, Infosys, Zoho all are expanding in small cities, so you can build your entire career right from home without leaving your city। That's the beauty of data careers in 2025। At Sabak Harbor, we built our programs keeping this reality in mind। Our professional certificate programs in AI and data analytics are created with IIT and Microsoft experts। Duration 8 months. Hands-on learning with 15 plus projects and 40 plus tools like Power BI, Java, Excel and Python। You learn, you apply, you get interviews and 100% job assurance। Now let's talk about what can you do next। Option 1, immediate specialization। Focus deeply on a niche, data analytics, cloud engineering or BI। Become a focused expert। Remember, depth is always greater than breadth। Option number 2, domain combination। Use your existing background plus new data skills। Finance, marketing, healthcare, combine both the worlds। Fastest way to boost your career if you have 2 to 6 years of experience। If you're starting from scratch, structure guidance matters। That's where programs like Sabak Harbor's 8-month data analytics with GenAI certification helps। You build projects, join live sessions, get mentored and walk out job ready। We truly believe that next 12 to 14 months are golden era for data analytics। If you start now, November to December 2025 are decision and enrollment time। Jen, to August 2026 are learning and projects. September 2026 onwards, new role, new life, better salary. Miss this window and you'll compete with double the numbers of competitors next year. So don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. So here's what to do next. Check out the program details, link in description. Talk to our career counselors. We guide you personally. There are no bots. Decide this week because every month delay means tougher competition. Sabak Harbor exists to bridge the gap between employability and learning. We don't stop at certificates. We stop at careers. Your data analytics journey starts today. Let's build your future together. Apply now. Limited cohorts available. I hope you all like this video. मिलते हैं next video में.